In this tutorial, you will learn to create and restore backup files in SMS. Customers using the SMS desktop software can easily safeguard their data by creating backups regularly. To begin, open SMS. The SMS Projects dialog will now open. Click the Backup Restore button in the upper right. In the next dialog, you can choose to backup project data now, restore project data, and, if running SMS Advanced, can even schedule when backups will be created. Click Backup Project Data Now, and then click OK. You can now choose which projects you would like to back up. A list of available projects will be displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. The project you are currently working on will have a green dot, as well as the username of the person who is working on the project. You can make backups for single projects, multiple projects, or all projects by selecting the appropriate project name and clicking Add. Each project that you back up will be contained in an individual backup file. So, if backing up 2 projects, you will have 2 .back files when the process is complete. Once all projects you wish to back up are listed on the right-hand side of the screen, you will then need to define a name for the folder that will house your backup files. Optionally, you can also enter in a text description for the backups. Finally, use the Browse button to navigate to the location you wish to save your backups. Before beginning the backup process, you will want to ensure that the file location you are saving to has enough storage space available. If you need to convert storage space, you can choose not to include high-quality imagery in the backup files. Finally, click OK. The System Backup Status dialog will now open, where you can watch the progress of the backup process. Click OK when the software has successfully created the backups. These backup files can now be used to restore all information contained in the project, including custom settings onto any computer running SMS. Backups will load into the same version of SMS they were created on, or one newer. We suggest making backups before upgrading to new versions of the desktop software, before deleting or spatially sorting information, and after each major operation when files have been read into the software. To restore a backup, make sure the drive the backup is saved on is connected to your computer. Click Backup Restore Projects. Choose Restore Project Data, and then click OK. You will now navigate to the folder that the backup you wish to restore is located in. Do not try and select the actual .back files themselves, or SMS will not recognize that there are any backups available. Click Load. The list of available backups in the folder you selected will now be listed. Select the projects you wish to restore, and then click OK. Do not select to replace all existing data unless you want to remove every project in SMS except those you are currently restoring. If the backup file that you are restoring contains a project name that already exists in SMS, you will need to choose if you want to replace the existing project with the data contained in the backup or duplicate the projects. Click OK. The System Status dialog will open, where you can watch the restore progress. The length of time it takes to restore the project depends on the backup file size and your computer resources. Click OK when the restore operation is complete. You have now learned how to create and restore backup files in SMS. For more short tutorials from AgLeader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.